everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a delicious Jamaican style steamed fish packed with fresh herbs, peppers and bold Caribbean flavor. If you love simple and tasty recipes, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. Gonna cover a pot for a bit. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Susan's Life Journey for more simple and tasty meals. Here it is, steamed fish, served with white yam and sweet potatoes, packed with bold Jamaican flavors.